Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how Brazil nuts taste. These large, creamy nuts offer a unique flavor profile that sets them apart. You'll find they have a rich, earthy taste, often described as buttery, with a subtle sweetness. Their texture is notably smooth and firm, providing a satisfying crunch. This distinct combination makes them a memorable addition to many dishes or a delightful snack on their own. They truly stand out in the world of nuts. Beyond their flavor, the texture and aroma of Brazil nuts are quite distinctive. They are firm, yet incredibly creamy, offering a dense bite that's different from, say, an almond or a cashew. You won't find them overly crunchy. Instead, they have a smooth, almost melt-in-your-mouth quality. Their aroma is generally mild, carrying those earthy notes with just a whisper of sweetness, contributing to their overall unique appeal. Brazil nuts are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Their rich, creamy flavor makes them a fantastic addition to trail mixes, providing a satisfying and substantial component. You can also grind them into a fine flour, which works wonderfully in various baked goods, or simply chop them to sprinkle over salads for added texture and taste. Furthermore, their naturally creamy consistency makes them an excellent base for creating plant-based milks and even some vegan cheese alternatives. Beyond their delicious taste, Brazil nuts offer impressive nutritional benefits. They are most famous for being an exceptional source of selenium. Just 1 or 2 nuts can provide your entire daily recommended intake. They also contain beneficial healthy fats, magnesium, and zinc, all contributing to your overall well-being. Incorporating them into your diet can be a simple way to boost your nutrient intake. And speaking of discovering new things, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.